how to automatically list all MS Word commands. So if you want to automatically list all of your MS Word commands, then what you need to do is first go with your MS Word or a blank document. Once you're here, what you need to do is just simply go with the View tab, which is right here on the upper side. Click on View and then go with Macros, which is right here, and select View. And here you will get this kind of interface. Just go with the drop down and you need to select the word commands. Select the word commands and then in macro name, search the list commands. So once you search here, you will have the list commands, right? So you just need to simply click on the list commands and go with run, which is on the right side, and go with OK. And here you will have list of all of the word commands. You can scroll down and take a look. So that's it. That's how you can automatically list all of your MS Word commands. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.